I was really lucky that at school I had two fantastic physics teachers who would make the subject matter really interesting and engaging. Like the way they present the stuff, they're enthusiastic about it, and that inspired me to go on and pursue a career in science and engineering. Batteries are used in such a wide range of applications. They're used in cars, planes, laptops, drones, phones, and even racing cars. But currently, they don't perform as we need them to, and we're in a race to develop the next generation of batteries. Simulating a battery allows you to model its performance without going through the risk, time, and cost of building a battery from scratch. This allows us to test for things like current, voltage, and battery performance through its whole cycle life. So we can look for things like cracks in the particles of the electrodes, and this will give an indication as to how long a battery might last. This research will allow us to build batteries that are cheaper, safer, more reliable, and more powerful. It also means we can bring batteries to market faster and at a lower cost. I'm a really big fan of Formula E, and it's an area where you can see the massive improvements in battery technology. So previously, they used to race in two different cars with two different batteries and swap halfway through. Now, due to improvements, they can do the whole race in one car. So when I was studying geography at school, I learned how important it was to combat climate change and look after the environment. So when I got the opportunity to visit the lab that I work in now and see the work that they were doing that really makes a difference, I was inspired and really keen to join in. So a big part of the work that I do involves gathering data before I make my models through the use of X-ray CT machines. So this allows us to see particles that are smaller and in more detail that we wouldn't normally be able to see. There are only 2 of these machines in the country, so it's really cool to be able to use them. So London's a great city where we have lots of opportunity to do things outside of our research, and it's important to take in all of these opportunities and experience everything you can. I feel really lucky to be a part of the Faraday PhD community, and being part of it has allowed me to travel up and down the UK to visit people at other universities, collaborate with them and visit their labs. In battery research, we need people from all backgrounds, whether it be like law, engineering, social science, economy. So my advice to anyone who's thinking about doing battery research is to go to university and get a degree in a field they're interested in. We need a whole range of people to solve this battery problem, and we can all come together and make a difference.